We have here only 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish, Jesus. Blessed are you, O Lord our God, King of the universe, who brings forth bread from the earth.
A thousand generations falling down in worship to sing the song of ages to the Lamb. And all have gone before us, and all who will believe will sing the song of ages to the Lamb. Your name